Hey everyone, it's Ren here with Perfect Aire. Today I'm going to be talking to you all about our Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Let me show you some of the cool and unique features of this humidifier. With a tank capacity of 1.6 liters or 0.4 gallons of water, it can run up to 10 hours at a time. The sleek design and size of this humidifier is ideal for small rooms and spaces, such as nursery rooms, bedrooms, dorm rooms, and more. This humidifier has an adjustable mist output knob, which allows you to customize the amount of mist flow, which is awesome. It also has an active carbon filter that works to remove any air pollutants for cleaner, healthier air quality. And it also has whisper quiet operation, which makes it completely noise-free, perfect to keep by your bedside while you sleep at night. This humidifier is also super easy to set up. Just fill the tank with water, secure it back onto the base, and now you're ready to enjoy the refreshing air. Finally, to get the longest life out of your humidifier and to keep it working in top condition, I really recommend that you clean your unit out weekly using a mixture of water and vinegar, and whenever you're using it, just keep it on a flat water-resistant surface. This Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is a great addition to any small room with all of its benefits to your home and your health. You can find this product at major online retailers like Amazon and Wayfair, and to learn more about this product and other great products, visit us at perfectaire.us. I'm Ren, thank you so much for watching.